What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today I'm going to talk about FORW. Having a beautiful move this morning. I want to get into the technicals, the connection to TSMP, and how that thing keeps moving. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I'm willing to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. So FORW, we talked about it in the last video. If you haven't watched it, please go and do so. The connection it has to TSMP, which TSMP continues to be on a beautiful run and broke the 50s this morning. But we're going to talk about FORW. So I talked about it in the last video. We had a multi-day breakout. And now in OTCs, I love a multi-day breakout. I was a buyer at the 2023 area, right, anticipating this breakout because of the great news that we had on TSMP and Humbl launching into over 100 countries. FORW, they are an investor into TSMP. So when it had this breakout, I bought it, held it, and wanted to sell it this morning. That was my plan. And that's exactly what I did. So yesterday made roughly about $400 profit on it, and then collected a little over $100 profit on it this morning. Wasn't sure exactly how strong it was going to be. Wasn't sure how strong TSMP was going to be, because FORW runs pretty well with TSMP and the chart pattern that they have. So I wasn't necessarily sure. We did break out in TSMP this morning. But this one didn't gap up. I was kind of anticipating it. Oh, actually, it did gap up, but I was anticipating something a bit stronger. And it didn't necessarily do what I wanted to right in the market open. So I just sold it in the 23 range, and then it winded up having this nice move, which, I missed out on another, another $700, $800 profit. But that's okay, because it's the name of the game, and I'd rather take profits and play it safe. Total on the total, I'm up from yesterday to today. I made roughly close to $500. I want to say about $490 off this particular stock, just buying the breakout and then selling it into the morning. So I mean, that right there is a great move for me personally. That was roughly about a 12% move, which a 12% move is amazing. That's what I like. So just knowing that in the strength of this, in the strength of that actual breakout, that's going to tell me that this FORW is definitely going to stay on my watch because of TSMP. TSMP will always stay on my watch. But this is going to now stay on my watch, and it's going to be a potential buy for me at the breakout levels. Or if it's following TSMP to the T, which is very close to doing so, that I can potentially dip by this as well, because TSMP seems to be doing amazing. So just a quick review on FORW and the moves to capitalize on. Obviously, we had a great breakout from the 20 to now till 27. So think about that move, guys. That's that's over a 40% move just in 2 days. Not even in the whole 2 days. We're talking about a half a day of trading and at the market open. So that is an amazing move, and that's something you guys could capitalize on. That's something I try to capitalize on when it has the great news catalyst, when it has the right catalyst and it has the right volume and the right chart pattern. Things could play out beautifully. So I took a nice 10 to 12% profit, when realistically I could have made about a 20 to 30% profit, but that's okay. I'll take my profits as they come. I'm not mad at all. So a beautiful move. So this is definitely in play for all my TSMP bulls. FORW is definitely in play. It is looking beautiful. It's consolidating right now. Not sure how it's going to play out. It's still morning. We've only been in the market for about an hour, but I just wanted to share with you guys my position and how I capitalized on the multi-day breakout here and the news catalyst that provided this great breakout, which is the connection to TSMP and the news catalyst that they have. So that's going to be it for today, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of my analysis. Let me know if you guys capitalized on this multi-day breakout. where you guys sold at. If you guys sold, if you're holding, let me know, man. Again, if you made it this far, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you could do that. So, FORW, beautiful move with the connection to TSMP. Definitely going to remain on my radar for another multi-day breakout. Definitely going to remain on my radar in case it has a beautiful dip, because I truly believe in TSMP. And if this thing follows TSMP has a dip, FORW most likely have a dip, and I believe TSMP will correct itself. Therefore, FORW should correct itself. All right, so that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll be sure to keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.